Hey there. Have an old 401k from a previous employer that's been forgotten? Rolling it over to a Charles Schwab IRA consolidates your retirement savings and opens up a universe of investment choices. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. First, open a Schwab rollover IRA. Then, contact Schwab's dedicated rollover team. Do not take a distribution check yourself. Schwab can often handle the conference call with your old 401k provider to initiate a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer. This moves the funds directly to your new IRA, avoiding any taxes or the 20% mandatory withholding that happens if the check is made out to you. My crucial pro tip? Ask about a bonus for bringing assets. Schwab sometimes offers cash incentives for transferring a qualifying balance. It never hurts to ask their rollover specialists if any promotion is available for your transfer amount. That's how you move your retirement savings smoothly and potentially get rewarded for it. How many old retirement accounts are you looking to simplify? Let me know below. For more guides that secure your financial future, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.